Alright, so I'm here at BP, and guess who showed up? The Unstabled Mates crew. How you doing?
Hey.
We got the whole crew here. Just pulled up. Got the Prez and the Shelby over here. Prez and the Shelby over here. What's going on, fam?
Good to see you, fam.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I was tucked away in the corner over there.
I see you over there.
And then that SUV came and blocked out the whole thing. I was like, oh man, they ain't gonna see me.
I thought you brought the cops with you. I was like, yeah.
Dude, as soon as I came out, I saw it. I was like, oh man, you gotta be kidding me. This is my first time seeing the Shelby. Woo! How you doing? You with the caravan?
I'm your Muslim wife, that one later.
Okay. I'm William.
I'm ready.
Pleasure to meet you.
I don't want to hit your hands.
Oh, yeah. That's all right. I've done that a couple of times. Oh, shit. I walked right into the shot. Woo! Y'all came in perfectly, too. Look at that.
Police reported ahead.
YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to Will Talk Entertainment. I am at Rockingham Raceway for the NMRA Nationals. It is a little after 8 in the morning. I'm here with the Unstabled Mates Mustang Club. That's my club. We're here. We're actually hosting this event today. So today's a big day. There's going to be a lot of events going on. We have the car show going on, which is what we're setting up here in the background. We got racing going on down there at the track. They're going to be drag racing in different classes. So it's going to be an eventful day. I'm going to be going around talking to vendors, talking to different race car drivers. So stick with me. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I hope to see you guys. I hope that you guys enjoy this content. So if you are, please let me know, if you like the content or what I could do better. But I do know that this is going to be a fun day, and I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. If you're new to the channel, click and subscribe, hit the notification button so you know when I'm uploading these videos. And for returning viewers to my channel, I thank you. I really appreciate you. For those that are new to the channel, please welcome aboard, and I'll get back with you in a minute. Peace. All right. Like I said, I'm all set up here. The car show is going to be at the top of the track. It's really cool. You get to go and look at some cars and also watch racing at the same time. We got my buddy here, Unstable Mate James, with his V6, completely modded out with a dope-ass sound system. See the Pro Charger. This ain't your average V6. This joint moves, and he's got the sounds to go with it. So then we have a setup here. Gonna have music, DJs. We got the dope ass Fox body here. Beautiful looking Fox body. Is this yours?
Company. Innovation.
Very nice. What have you had all done to it?
We did a wide body kit on it, Maxim Motorsport suspension, forged line wheels, 2.3 EcoBoost swap, and a 2019 interior.
Beautiful car. Oh god. Oh man. Look at that. Whenever you see a Fox body look like this, it's unbelievable. Thank you. Thank you for showing us the inside. You gonna be out there racing today?
No racing today.
No racing? Just chilling?
Just chilling.
Yep. Well, you got a beautiful car here. Thank you for showing it to us. All right. We're going to walk down here, take a little bit of a walk. See everybody sitting up. Track is getting prepped. You can see them prepping the track. We got some more cars at the end. As we walk down here. So the expectation is that all of this will be filled up. So people are already showing up. So we'll start to see more people show up as the day gets moving along. See, already I see we're coming up on a Monte Carlo. We got the 97 Cobra over there in green. Yeah. Now we got Bigfoot right there. So we got Bigfoot. Check out this wrap, y'all. Check out this camel wrap. When have you ever seen a camel wrap like this? This car is just dope. Look at this. I mean, this is the stuff that you're gonna see today. Really nice wrap. I know the camel wraps have been so overdone, but this is nice. This is unique. I mean, you see it depending on where the light hits it, it really highlights certain parts of the camel. And at night, you can actually see it, still see it, despite the fact that it's a black car. Great job. Then we have the classic Monte Carlo SS. Clean, 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 man. Look how clean this is. Yeah, buddy. And look who we got rolling in there. El Presidente. What's going on? Unstabled Mate El Presidente. Rolling in with the Shelby. Check this out, man. 97 Cobra. Badass. Clean all the way around. What's up? You want to introduce yourself?
Hey, I'm Mike Robinson, OMG Racing, or you check me on the socials, Omega Motorsports Garage on YouTube, Instagram, and on Facebook.
That's what's up, man. Go check them out. Look at this 97 Cobra, man. When have you seen a cleaner Cobra like this from 97? So, Mike, what all have you done to this car?
Not a whole lot yet. I've had it about a year and a half, not quite 2 years, but we painted it. We wanted to stay a little bit true to the four colors. The green is a Pacific green,
right?
But we added some gold pearl to it just to kind of bring it out a little bit and actually accentuate the rims that I have on there. So
okay,
put the staggered rims on there, painted my calipers gold to match. Other than that, it's pretty stock. Nothing done to the motor. Put some Flowmaster exhaust on it. So we're really just getting started, but
all right.
Keep watching. We'll see it by next year. You'll see it really change.
Man, we look forward to it, Mike.
Right.
We look forward to it.
Appreciate it, man.
All right, brother. Take it easy. All right, this is Will Talk Entertainment here. We got Big Mike here. 007 is what we call him. 7th member of Unstabled Mates Mustang Club, and he's got his
2014 GT.
All right, man. Tell me about this 2014 GT, man. This thing is fire. You showed it to me last night. You told me a couple of things you did. Give us the rundown, man, and give us a little bit of insight of what you're thinking when you did it.
Well, To be honest, the backdrop to this story with the car is that I had a nice Fox body that we built a 351 in, big turbo, real nasty little street car. What ended up happening is that one of the other members of the club wanted the car, so he traded me this, and when I got it, I put my own spin on it. So,
Okay.
Right now, it's a 24. It's still a 2014 GT. It's on 05 to 9 Saline Heritage wheels. It's been upgraded with the Brembo package in the front.
Yep. Look at that.
The motor's a Gen 1 block, Gen 2 heads, Gen 3 intake, JLT cold air on it, and has some long tubes.
You can't see them there, but they're there. You can hear it. You can hear it when you start the car up.
Quad exhaust on it. It has a high flow cat X pipe on it. It has a BMR K-member Watts link setup in the rear. It's sitting on Raceland Ultimo coilovers. The car handles great. Done everything from the sound system in it. Upgraded the taillights.
Nice. And what kind of sound system is that?
I like to call that a James Torelli special.
And for all
Basically, James Torelli is
Yep.
one of our club members, in Unstabled Mates Mustang Club. And I mean, he's a wizard when it comes to doing audio, pretty much anything, but audio and wiring is his thing. And he did a basic little simple comp kicker setup in here with some Rockford Fosgate amps and basically a Bluetooth head unit. Thing hits, I enjoy it.
Man, this car is beautiful, man. How long did it take you to put all of this together?
I mean, not long. I mean, the car is really set up for a blower.
Okay.
It's had everything upgraded. All it needs is a blower now, and we'll get to that at some point.
Okay.
But we just keep it simple, keep it clean. It's not a trailer queen. We drive it.
Right.
It goes places, and it's a lot of fun to drive.
Yeah.
It was making right around 430 to the tire, and with a 355 gear in it, 6-speed car. I enjoy it with a McLeod twin disc in it. It's a really enjoyable drive. It's comfortable. I mean,
it's a solid build, man.
Solid
This
build, solid
is yeah.
car.
This isn't something where you overthink it.
No.
It's the car is already situated so that you just add all the additional mods that you add. It's just perfect to add onto this car, and you don't have to really overthink it. It's really a great handling car. 'Cause I've seen you drive this car, man, and I've also seen how take note how low this car sits. But
It don't scrub either.
it don't scrub. That's what I was gonna say. That's the
scrub.
first thing I noticed when I saw how low it sat. It's not rubbing. Everything is. All these mods are measured.
Well, I've probably had about total 23 different Mustangs in my life.
Mm-hmm.
I got so many now. Also, I've had everything from third gen Supras to single turbo Zs, Fairlady Zs, Honda CRXs with H22 Prelude motor swaps in it. I've had it all.
Right.
So big power cars and everything, they're fun to me. But I've just learned that for me, what really is enjoyable are cars that you can get in, drive, take to a car show or a drag strip, or just cruise the mountains and feel confident in what you're doing.
Absolutely.
And still be able to put the kids in the back seat and go on vacation. So
Absolutely.
I build street cars, like real actual street cars that you could daily, and that's my goal with my builds now. I've done builds where I've gone over the top, and it's cool, but after a while it stops being functional.
Right.
So it's a functional car, it's comfortable, you take it anywhere, go to a show, win something, or go to the grocery store, whatever you like.
Absolutely. Well, I'm gonna say I love your builds. I've always enjoyed the things that you've done to your cars, and just it's a treat to be able to go through all the mods in your car. I know you got plenty more Mustangs with mods that we're gonna go through, and it's gonna be a real treat for the viewers and the fans here to see what you've done, because you do some really cool stuff and well thought out stuff. That's the thing I love about your builds. So we appreciate you showing us the 2014 Mustang. This is just the beginning, folks. We're gonna do more stuff with Mike, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.
Unstable Mates, $9.99. We ride.
All right. I like it.
The quad tips, it's on coilovers, got game number swap up front. All the yellow cover.
No, he didn't. He really brought that?
He don't play. Like he takes that shit for real serious.
Hey, man. They said don't mess with a man and his machine.
Flat bottom steering wheel, carbon fiber. This is what you call taking a V6 to the next level.
And the only place you're gonna see this is with Unstable Mates. You ain't gonna see this because ain't nobody. Maybe there are somebody doing it. I don't know. But bruh, I'm loving this. God, I
Like all
love
the
it.
factory subs.
Yeah, that's the first thing I noticed. But this shit, back up. This is wild. I mean, only. Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't see that one.
Those are just there for Phil. The doors do all the work.
You said the doors do all the work?
There's 24 speakers total on the front doors. 12 per side.
Oh my God.